Hey guys, how you doing? Just reporting some wacky weather happening. Tropical storm Lekima is strengthening, so it's heading toward Taiwan to Japan. He said it's going to be close to a Category 2 as it progresses to that on that. So that's happening on there, and it's also causing effect on the Pacific near San Francisco. So typhoon warning happening there, and near Japan toward Taiwan on that as it escalates on that. But also, as you know, in India they're battling some monsoons there with the heavy rain and humidity happening on there, with big storms happening as well on there. Down in the states here, United States, battling down in huge storm weathers as well. There's a storm developing, and they call it the Twin Cities on there, with huge storm-like, could be tornadoes, so forth on there, but it hasn't been reports on there yet. But definitely a lot of warm and humid air down near Wisconsin as well, with thunderstorms and stuff. Down in Minnesota, they reported some heavy hail that's size of like golf balls and stuff. So major rain and storms and stuff happening there as well. So the other places are battling with heat and a lot of tropical type of weather happening on there. So I'll keep you posted on that. Definitely a lot of activities happening on that. Not even mentioning earthquakes on that. So
thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.